Good morning, one and all. In this month lecture video, I'm going to discuss the course which I'm handling for second year CSE, which is nothing but operating system. So let me start with the introduction of operating system. What is operating system? And here are the certain things which we are going to discuss further. The first point is to describe the basic organization of computer systems and operating system. And here next comes the overview of the many types of computing environments, to explore varied types of operating system, and to provide a grand tour of the major components of the operating system, and to describe what all the services this OS will provide, and to describe the services of OS which provides to users, process and other systems, and to discuss the various ways of structuring an operating system. Let us see this one by one. First of all, we will just go to the definition of operating system. So there are n number of definitions available for operating system. Let me explain you the two ways of definition of OS. The first thing is, it is actually a modern computer which consists of one or more processors will be there, and it will have a main memory, a disk will be there, a printer is there, and various input-output devices will be available. So managing all these components which required a software which is called as the operating system. So let me explain you one more definition of operating system. So here the definition goes as on, like the OS is nothing but, it is actually a program which acts as an intermediate between the intermediate, or it is act as an interface between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. Okay, what are all the goals normally available for OS is nothing but, what the OS will actually do is, it will control, it will execute user or any application programs, will make the computer system which convenient to use, and it is easily used to solve the user problems, and it will use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. This is the second definition of the operating system. So let's explain you where actually the OS fit in. If you see in this diagram, you have two modes which is called as user mode and kernel mode, and the first top layer is called as the user applications. Say for example, it may be a web browser, or it can be email reader, or it can be a music player, and the mid part is nothing but user interface program. These things, below these things we have a layer called as operating system, which comes under the kernel mode. How it actually works is, the user will request the operating system through program. It will ask for service to the operating system. The operating system will instruct the hardware, and the hardware will do the task and return back the work to the operating system, and operating system will respond to the client as per the client request. This is what happening inside this operating system. So what are all the services provided by an OS? The first service is called as it has the facility for program creation. Say for example, it may be editor or compiler or linker or debugger, etc. It provides program execution. I mean, it will load the program into the memory, or input output file initialization, etc. and it can easily help to access IO and input output operations and files. And the last thing is called as the system access. What it says is it resolves conflicts for resource contention, and mainly OS is a software which helps in protection in access to resource and data. We will see the next topic in the upcoming videos. Thank you.